Are you thinking about using a DIY mold test kit? Watch this. Before you buy, I just watched my neighbor's $15 mold kit miss the black mold that hospitalized his daughter. When it comes to protecting your family from hidden dangers in your home, those DIY mold test kits might seem like a bargain. But the truth? They can give you a dangerous false sense of security. DIY kits can miss dangerous types of mold like stachybotrys that can cause serious health problems if left untreated. Exposure to hidden mold can lead to allergies, asthma, and even long-term respiratory issues, especially in children and seniors. Here's why these kits often fail. They only capture what's airborne at that exact moment, missing mold hidden in walls, under floors, or in your HVAC system. Professionals also check for moisture sources, water leaks, and use lab analysis to identify exactly what's growing in your home. Most kits can't identify specific mold species or concentration levels that determine your actual health risk. And without professional interpretation, you might misread the results entirely. Professional testing uses multiple sampling methods, thermal imaging, moisture meters, and trained inspectors who know exactly where mold hides. We can detect what those DIY kits miss and provide clear, actionable remediation plans when needed. With expert help, you get peace of mind knowing your home is truly safe for your family. One of our clients said, "We thought our home was fine, but MDMoldTesting found hidden mold and helped us fix it before it became a bigger problem." Don't gamble with your family's health. Visit MDmoldTesting.com and mention this video for a $25 discount on your first inspection. Like and subscribe for more home safety tips, and click the video below to learn the 5 warning signs of toxic mold you might be missing right now. Thanks for watching. For more home safety tips, subscribe and check out our other videos. Stay safe and see you next time.